Good morning, world!
Shane, it's 7 a.m. You're going to be late.
Okay! Good morning! Good morning, my beautiful mama!
Come on, let's eat. I'll drop you off to school.
Mama, I want to walk to school. Because, you know what? It's my first day of school. And also, I really want to see the sun, to feel the wind. Also, the school is not far though.
Okay, sweetie. Just take care, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Call me when there's something happen.
Okay.
Goodbye, sweetie. Have
Bye-bye.
a nice day at school.
Bye-bye.
You, how many times did I tell you that you must quit taking drugs? You must quit for our fault.
Go to the grid matter now! Now! What are you looking at? I'm not putting up with this anymore. Putting up with what? I am tired of people. I am out of here. I want to. Oh, come on, boy, because I have a conversation with somebody constantly, and I am not. What, if I was having a conversation with Bob or something, like, would we be having a talk? You know,
Nay, where will Tatay will go?
Mary, this will be the last time that we will see your father.
Nay, what is the meaning of this?
Marie, your father promised that he will change, so trust him. Now, show some respect for your father.
Excuse me, sir. Did you know Daniel Dowell?
Crowded hallways are the loneliest places for outcasts and rebels, and anyone who just dares to be different. And you've been trying for so long to find out where your place is, but in their narrow minds there's no room for anyone who dares to do something different. Oh, but listen for a minute.
What happened? Who did this to you?
Before we begin our discussion, someone please explain what is our master class? Ate Marie.
Morning, class. Before we begin our discussion, please bring your notebook. Now you understand the concept of ready? Ready? Let know that you must listen to my discussion.
Maybe just not the skills of the rap.
Goodbye, class.
This is such a pain. Imagine, she always zoom out in every class.
Exactly. Her points are very low. She always been left out on all aspects.
clearly that Marie is not okay. If someone could give her a proper guidance, she would be attentive just like others.
Guidance? Then where is her mother?
I heard that her mother was worse than Marie. Her mother was Buster's wife.
Will you stop talking about others?
Woman! Go to this house! What are you looking at? Your grandmother? Now!
This will be the last time that we will see you.
Nay! What is the meaning of this?
Marie, your father promised that he will change, so this will be the last time that we will see your father.
What are you doing? Oh my god. So what was that so... Oh, by the way.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me introduce myself. I'm Chanel, by the way. Or you can call me Shay or Shen. Okay, got that? Let's go.
Cause it was always you. And if I'm turning blue, please don't save me. Nothing left to lose without my baby. Birds of a feather, we should stick together.
Where is your father?
Well, I don't have a father.
Well, Chanel is from a broken family.
Chanel's father was a tall, handsome, and the son of a congressman. We fell in love back when we were in college. Our relationship seems perfect until one day I told him that I am pregnant. Upon pregnancy, her father seemed like he's changing bit by bit. His sweet and loving personality changed to cold and irritated personality. Until one day, at the gender reveal party,
Mom Ferrari is waiting for you in the living room. He said that he can't wait until forever.
Oh my god, Aubrey! I thought you'd pack your things.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, but I have to attend the meeting.
But the party was about to start.
I'm pretty sure that this meeting is more important than the party. If you'll excuse me.
after that, I followed him. I called many times, but he wouldn't answer any of my calls. While I was walking in the park, I saw him with his mistress. I approached them angrily, confronted him, and asked, but he still lied. I slapped him and walked away. After the divorce, I raised Chanel all by myself. I guided her, giving her a good counsel, and look at her now. I'm proud of my beautiful, smart, kind, and loving daughter.
my darkest days that I thought I am alone. At my lowest point that I thought no one will be here. To the point that I want to be gone in this world. But here you are, my savior, my bright side, my best friend on my behalf for rebuilding home.